Welcome to Sweets with Sadie. This is the show where we bake the yummiest treats and make them healthy. Today, I'm interviewing the most amazing girl ever, Jade Pettyjohn. We're gonna put her baking skills to the test. So Jade, what are we baking today?
So today we are baking chocolate unicorn cake donuts.
They're grain-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, but not free of deliciousness.
That's very important.
Why don't we add the rest of the wet ingredients?
Is there any particular order?
No, why don't you just pour them in?
Great.
This is the pure maple syrup.
Ooh, I love maple syrup.
Right? It's a really good unrefined sugar to use as opposed to cane sugar, which has a really high glycemic index.
Great.
High fives all around.
Ah, boom.
Now we are gonna put our donut pans in the oven to bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Quiz questions while the unicorn donuts bake.
I am terrified.
And I'm excited. How do you know when your egg whites are done being whipped? A, you poke them and they let out a whistle. B, you flip the bowl upside down over your head and they don't fall out. Or C, you stir them and they turn yellow.
I'm going to go with C. You wait till they turn yellow.
The real answer, that was very loud. You flip the egg whites over your head and they don't fall out.
Really?
Yes. This coconut butter is amazing. So it's basically the meat of the coconut and it's ground up.
Guys,
I'm just gonna swirl the donut around a little bit in the glaze. Cheers.
cheers. 10 out of 10 would recommend. That's amazing.